First impressions matter, and when it comes to your home, the door is often the first thing visitors and potential buyers notice. A stylish, well-maintained door can dramatically enhance your home's curb appeal, making it more inviting and even boosting its market value. In Bartow, where the charm of the town blends with modern aesthetics, door replacement can be a game-changer for homeowners looking to refresh the exterior of their homes. The significance of curb appeal in Bartow. Bartow, known for its picturesque landscapes and beautiful, historic homes, thrives on the unique character of its properties. The right door can complement your home's architectural style, whether it's a classic southern ranch, a modern craftsman, or a Mediterranean-inspired design. Your front door doesn't just offer protection from the elements, it's a defining element of your home's personality and sets the tone for what's inside. A fresh, updated door creates an immediate visual impact, attracting the attention of passers-by and creating a positive first impression. If your current door is old, damaged, or mismatched with the rest of your exterior, it can detract from your home's appeal and even lower its value. Fortunately, replacing your door offers a relatively easy and cost-effective solution to improve curb appeal, and in many cases, it can even pay for itself when you decide to sell. The benefits of door replacement: boosted visual appeal. Replacing an outdated or worn-out door with a new one can instantly brighten up your home's exterior. A bold, colorful door can make a statement, while a classic, neutral-toned one can enhance elegance. There are countless styles, materials, and finishes to choose from, so you can find a door that fits your home's overall aesthetic. Whether you choose a sleek modern design with glass accents or a traditional wooden door with intricate details, your new door will reflect your unique style while increasing the visual appeal of your home. Increased energy efficiency. The older doors, especially those with cracks or poor insulation, can lead to drafts and energy loss. This means your home might be working harder to maintain a comfortable temperature, which could result in higher energy bills. Newer doors are built with improved materials and insulation, helping to keep your home more energy efficient. With better weatherproofing, you'll maintain indoor comfort year-round while lowering your heating and cooling costs. Improved security. Security is an essential factor for every homeowner, and the front door is one of the most vulnerable entry points into your home. Modern replacement doors come with advanced security features such as stronger locks, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant glass. Choosing a door that is both aesthetically pleasing and secure ensures that your home is protected without sacrificing style. Lower maintenance requirements. Older doors, particularly wood ones, require regular upkeep to prevent rotting, warping, or peeling paint. Newer doors made from fiberglass, steel, or composite materials are often low maintenance, saving you time and money on repairs or repainting. These materials are more durable and resistant to the elements, ensuring your door will stay looking great with minimal effort. Increased property value. If you're planning to sell your Bartow home, investing in door replacement can significantly improve its resale value. Potential buyers often look for homes that are move-in ready, and an attractive, new front door can give your property an edge over others. A well-chosen door replacement not only adds curb appeal but also makes a lasting impression on buyers, which could translate into a quicker sale at a higher price. Choosing the right door for your Bartow home. When selecting a new door, it's essential to consider your home's overall style, the climate, and your budget. Bartow's warm climate and occasional tropical storms mean durability and weather resistance should be a priority. Look for doors made from materials that can withstand the heat and humidity, such as fiberglass or steel. Additionally, think about the door's functionality. If you want a door that allows natural light into your entryway, consider one with glass inserts or side lights. Conclusion: door replacement is one of the simplest yet most impactful ways to boost your Bartow home's curb appeal. Not only does it improve the look of your property, but it also increases energy efficiency, security, and value. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's exterior for personal enjoyment or preparing to sell, replacing your door is an investment that pays off in both aesthetics and practicality. Take the first step towards a more inviting, beautiful home by exploring the wide range of door styles and materials available to you.